was written by
Kiren, Cash, Emily,
Nuri,
May, Levi, Eleanor, Weston. And this is our story!
and it's called The War Between Dogs and Bagels.
I am a medium walker, not fast nor slow. I have a friend, a bagel bird.
I'm round and empty inside. But don't worry, guys, I can fly.
We live in a castle that's colorful and burps.
Knock, knock, who's there? Interrupting burp.
Interrupting burp. We laugh and we laugh.
Out the window I crash.
Sponges on roofs.
An unsuspecting too.
Oh, we want to meet the royals called a Scrunchy Dog. We
Tell
to tell jokes and jest all day long.
But rival Bagel Queen, I don't claim her as my own.
Go, assassins! Steal the King and Queen! I shall have to clone! So in went witch named Hunter, not to be confused with the Hunter.
I'll rescue with my panda. Wait, where is he?
Although I'm invisible, my voice you can hear.
What? Who's there?
Come with me and your lives I'll spare.
So we went home, our hearts filled with rage.
And to learn our lesson, we kept them in a cage.
At least we have coffee and panda company.
It's actually quite better than running a car.